Last night wasn't the problem. It's what you do the next morning that determines whether it becomes a spiral. The fastest way to cause another binge is to punish yourself for the last one. This creates a vicious cycle of restriction and rebellion, where your body feels deprived and then overcompensates. It's a trap that keeps you stuck. So, what's the alternative to this all-or-nothing thinking? It's about breaking the cycle with compassion, not control. That means absolutely no. Skipping breakfast, starving yourself, over-exercising, or getting lost in shame spirals. These actions only reinforce the idea that you did something wrong, fueling guilt and setting you up for failure. Instead, the goal is to gently return to balance. When you feel a wobble, the most powerful thing you can do is start fresh with your very next plate. Let's build a stabilizing breakfast together. First, prioritize protein. It's the anchor that keeps your blood sugar steady and cravings at bay, providing lasting energy without the crash. Next, add fiber. This helps you feel full and satisfied, supporting digestion and a stable mood throughout your morning. And whenever possible, make it a warm food. Some simple grounding examples include savory scrambled eggs with veggies, or creamy oatmeal boosted with protein powder. You could also try Greek yogurt with berries, or a comforting warm grain bowl. These meals aren't just nourishing for your body. Warm foods are deeply soothing and can help calm a frazzled nervous system, making you feel safe and grounded from the inside out. To stop craving overload, 5 deep exhales. 60 seconds of stillness. Loosen jaw. Relax stomach. Gentle movement. You don't need to reset the entire week or even the day after a dietary wobble. The all-or-nothing mindset is what fuels the spiral, not what ends it. Forget punishing workouts or restrictive fasts. Instead, just reset the next meal. Make it simple, warm, and satisfying. Think fiber first, and pair every carbohydrate with a protein or fat to stabilize your energy. This single grounded meal is enough to end the entire spiral. It's a quiet act of kindness to yourself, proving you can start fresh right now, on this very plate. Remember the why. Holidays are about people, tradition, and spirit. The food is part of the celebration, but it is not the entire celebration. Anchor yourself in the joy of the season, the connection, the gratitude, the light, the love. Your mantra for the season. I eat what I love, and I love what I eat, mindfully, joyfully, and without apology. My body is my partner in celebration, not my opponent. Save this. Come back to it before a big event, or the morning after. You have everything you need to savor this season to its fullest. Let's make this your most nourishing and joyful celebration yet. Hit the like button and subscribe. It is calorie-free and burns calories.